good afternoon, this is John. It's such a beautiful day today. I decided to wash the motorhome, but not only that, I'm going to be putting some Elastomeric roof covering. It's white and I'm going to put it up on the top of the motorhome to stop any water coming in when it rains. So let's do it. And here we are on the roof. What's happening now? And as you can see, I lifted up the solar panels so we can get underneath to put the Elastomeric roof coating on. And you can put it on as thin or as thick as you want now. Well, I put it on fairly thick because you want it to work properly. That's for sure. Okay. And when I was on the roof earlier on, I wasn't on the roof. I was cleaning it and I was washing it down and brushing it down because it just got filthy, man. I don't know why. Just dirt in the atmosphere. I'll assume that's what it was. There we go. Boy, this is fun. Or is it? It's all fun and games till it's not. That's what they say. There we go. Put that here. Put this up here. So we can get to it, get past halfway. So when I get on the other side, it'll be easier to reach. The further I reach on this side, the less I have to reach on the other side. That is how it works apparently. And yeah. Oh yes. Very nice. But this stuff's not that thick. I'll tell you what, it doesn't feel very thick, this Elastomeric. I think we've been watering it down. Because that's the way to get you to buy more. You just water it down. Is that true? Just make sure any cracks are filled. Any cracks. As you can see, the roof is quite dirty, even though I gave it a thoroughly good wash. Anyhow, continuing. We've got the skylights wide open, so we can get around the collar of the skylight. And I'm going to start in this part next. It's going to be a bit harder to get into there, so let's just take it easy. Well, I can't even get up that far. I'm not going to do that. When I was in the Boy Scouts, I learned how to do lashing and whipping. So I'm going to give this a try of lashing and see if I can get this paintbrush to reach. On there. Make sure that this covering is covering everything. Don't leave any gaps or holes. You get the idea. Well, okay, it's all covered now, ready for the rain. Then we'll drop the solar panels, give them a good cleaning, and close those skylights. But the rain's not coming for a couple of days, so that's as much fun as I can have today. Thank you for watching. We have to do this every couple of years just to keep the roof intact. Well, that looks 100% better with a good wash and a new roof coating ready to go. What was that? Just ran through the garden. It looked like a rabbit. We've got lots of rabbits this year too. I might have gotten frightened by the robot lawnmower. Well, good morning, this is John. We're back for day 2 of putting the coating on the roof here. So you got coating on yesterday. Now apparently you're supposed to put 2 coats on. I forgot all about that, so let's get to it. Using only a brush and a tin. Here we go. Oh yes, it's making everything a lot flatter, which is what we want. This roof covering, Elastomeric, I think it's called. Yeah, Elastomeric. He was the elephant man, wasn't he? Elastomeric. Oh, it might have been somebody else. No, I'm thinking of Elastoplast. Well, it's a bit nippy here today, and it's supposed to rain, so that's something to look forward to. The only drawback is sometimes when you put white on white, it's hard to see why you've actually put paint on. I have to get me special X-ray glasses out and verify the locations. Just long strokes like that. There we go. And I'm bringing them like this because when the water falls on them, they'll get in the micro grooves and be channeled off the roof, rather than if I went there, they'd just be channeled further along the roof. So we'll see how that works out. Already we've got this part done. Excellent. So I've got to get behind that piece of conduit over here. There, back there. See, let's just get that. There we go. That needs a good filling in there, that's for sure. Well, this looks like we're done for another couple of years. We've got 2 coats. We've got Mr. Bumblebee inspecting it, so hopefully that should work alright. Is it passing inspection, Mr. B? Well, 1 day later, everything looks nice. Nothing washed off. Did rain a little bit, but not enough to break the skin. And everything's looking fantastic now. Good for another couple of years. Just got to clean these solar panels and then we'll be done. Anyhow, thank you for watching, I appreciate that, and join me on the next project. Thank you for watching. And you'll probably notice that I don't have chocolate on the side of my mouth, as I did on the previous shots of myself. I'd been eating a chocolate biscuit before I went out. Won't do that again.